In today's video, we'll be exploring the top 5 best 500W bike motors available on the market. We've done the hard work for you by researching extensively and going through numerous real user reviews to create this list. If you want more details or the latest pricing on any of the 500W bike motors mentioned, make sure to check the links in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest reviews and recommendations. Now, let's dive in. Number 5, 350W 500W Electric Bike Conversion Kit. This kit is ideal for commuting with a 30 to 35 km per hour speed and works with KT controllers. Featuring a 36V/48V brushless gear motor, it offers efficiency and versatility with both front and rear hub motor options. The kit ensures a smooth conversion, making it easy to upgrade your bike. Now at 30% off, it's a cost-effective solution for those looking to enter the e-bike world without breaking the bank. Number 4, Bafang Mid-Drive Motor Kit. Transform your bike with Bafang's powerful mid-drive motor kit. Designed for mountain and road bikes, it supports multiple riding modes, including e-bike, pedal assist, and traditional pedaling. Installation is simplified with an included video guide. The motor ensures efficient power delivery and a smooth riding experience. Battery is sold separately. This kit is ideal for riders who want a high-performance upgrade for their cycling adventures. Number 3, Electric Bike Conversion Kit 250-1500W. Upgrade your bike effortlessly with this powerful electric conversion kit. Designed for smooth performance, it features a pure copper core motor for durability and an IP54 waterproof rating for all-weather riding. Offering power options from 250W to 1500W, it suits various needs, from casual commuting to high-speed riding. With easy installation and necessary components included, this kit ensures a seamless transition to an electric biking experience. Number 2, Bafang G02048V 500W Motor Kit. Perfect for touring, commuting, and mountain biking. This Bafang motor kit delivers 45 Nm max torque and 350 rpm for smooth and powerful riding. Its brushless design enhances efficiency, while the 1:5 reduction ratio ensures optimal power transfer. Built for durability and performance, this motor kit helps cyclists tackle steep inclines and long rides with ease. A great choice for those seeking reliable electric bike conversion solutions. Number 1, Coen-Ray Brushless Gear Hub Motor. Coen-Ray's gear hub motor is designed for an effortless e-bike conversion. Featuring a twist throttle and brake lever for smooth control, it allows easy customization with interchangeable accessories. With high torque, 27-74.6 Nm, and compatibility with 24V, 36V, and 48V batteries, it delivers strong acceleration and flexibility. Ideal for riders looking for a powerful and adaptable electric bike motor upgrade at an affordable price.